I'm going to show you how to very easily add in the date your post was modified on your single post template. And it's really simple and easy, and there's no extra code required. This example post was created on the 2nd of February, but it's now the 5th of February, and I have done some modifications. I want to show you the date it was published and the date it was modified. Maybe I created a post in January 2024 and I've updated it in June 2024. And I want you to know that, I am keeping up to date with it. Maybe it's like the top 10 tools to use for AI. I want you to know that I haven't just published it in January and it's now out of date. I have gone and revised it. So this is what you could do. You could drop in post info field. And then I'm going to get rid of the author, the time, and the comments. And all I'm going to use is the post date field. And all that does is give me the date, which is okay in a way, because you might go, well, you created it on February the 2nd and now you've updated it on February the 5th, so what? But what if I want to show you the time? Maybe this is time specific, so I want to show you how to do that. Now, at the moment, this is going to be using a particular format. I've clicked custom and I've gone and changed it now to DMYGI. Now, what that shows you is the day, the month, the year, and the G and the I is actually the time. Don't think it's H:\M. It doesn't always work like that. Now, the trouble with the date field is that it's always going to show you the date it was published, not the date it was modified. Let's add in another item. And this time, rather than just picking the date, I'm going to go and pick custom. A new field will appear. Go and click dynamic tag and now click post date. Now, you're going to be thinking, well, what's the difference? You've just kind of redone what you've done before. Go and click the spanner or the wrench now. And now you'll see post published and post modified. So I'm going to leave that one as post published. I don't mind. I'm now going to pick post modified, and you will now see February the 5th appear. But we need to change the format. Let's go and hit custom, and I'm going to paste in my values again, DMYGI. But let's make it a little bit more clearer. I'm going to click the advanced tab, and before I'm going to say modified like that with a colon. In fact, we'll put a space in as well. We'll go back to our original date. I'm going to type in published with a colon and a space, and I am going to get rid of the icon. And there we go. So the original way, I've just shown you how to add in some text before, which is really easy, and we changed the format. But that's always going to be the published. But if you go and click custom and then pick the post date again, now you can pick the date modified. And again, we've gone and formatted it so you can basically see what it's doing. That's really simple and easy to do. And I think a lot of people are aware of this, but there will be some that are not. And I hope this helps you out. I'm Imran from Web Squadron. I hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow. I'll keep seeing you.